Dynotherm's sintered pads contain no phenol resins or airborne fibers and perform at temperatures of 800 degrees Celsius without use of heavy metals, thus exceeding global environmental standards. The sintering process Dynotherm uses is best described as the technology whereby the friction material is compacted with a high-tech pressing process and fused at very high temperatures in an inert atmosphere, thus eliminating the need for binding agents. This allows the product to be finished at very high temperatures. The lack of binding agent makes the product much more heat resistant as well as flame and swell proof, thus providing higher performance, safety and reduced running costs. Dynotherm materials are South African Bureau of Standards or SABS tested and compliant to their standards. The company is an accredited ISO 9002 company based on its design, development, manufacture and supply of friction materials. Dynotherm products are tested on their large inertia dynamometer, simulating actual working conditions as well as at third-party test houses and in the field. Such is the stature of the Dynotherm laboratory and expertise in braking technology that the company is frequently asked to run comparative tests on friction materials by South African and overseas institutions and manufacturers. This test illustrates the flammability of resin-based OEM or original equipment manufactured disc pads and their inability to stop promptly when new, as well as their continued combustion for more than 4 minutes after the assembly has come to a standstill. The whole process is computer controlled and monitored by trained technicians. To demonstrate Dynotherm's leading edge and unsurpassed high temperature performance, the same test is conducted a second time. This time, the dynamometer is fitted with Dynotherm high quality friction disc pads. When Dynotherm pads are exposed to the same test, they bring the dynamometer to a standstill in just over 16 seconds. Carbon dust ignition exists only during the actual braking application and no flames are present after coming to a standstill. The video actually shows the real time in which the tests are conducted. The camera was at no time stopped or speeded up.